Would you believe if I told you this product did more than $3 million in the last 60 days without using any video? Hi, this is Hani Sayed, and in this video we are going to cover this product called 2-in-1 Protective Scarf. If you will go through the landing page, you will not see any mention of virus or any current event that is going on. I think that is one of the keys, like why they were able to market it on Facebook and why Shopify did not obviously suspend their store. So where does the 3 million revenue point comes from? Let me show you. I'll take the URL of the product and I'll put it in Hawk. Hawk is a feature of Super Early. As you can see, I have put it here. And when you will click on Analyze, it will show you exactly the amount of revenue that this product has done so far. Okay, this is not an estimate. It is a calculation based on the data provided by Shopify. Okay, this is as close as it gets to knowing the real number. Okay, this does not include whatever the amount they have charged so far for shipping. So obviously they have done way more than 3 million, because right now it is showing me 3.1 million, and obviously if I will check tomorrow it will show me more. So this is a feature of Super Early. You can check it out. Now if you scroll down, you can see the maximum revenue was done by wildflower variant. Okay, almost $1 million. So if I was selling this product, I would probably get rid of these. Probably not get rid of any of these, but yeah, I would focus more on the wildflower. Okay, and you can see the published date here. The product was created and published on 25th April, and the day I'm recording this video is 25th of June. Okay, now how do I know that this listing or this product was marketed without using any video? I used AdSpy. Okay, now you can see their first ad, simple, just an image, 2-in-1 cotton scarf. They are showing it as a scarf, they are showing it as a mask, and the next one they have used a video. But did I not claim that they are not using a video? Because they are not actually using a video. They have used all the images that they had from the landing page on AliExpress or whatever else source that they had, and they have compiled it up and added some music, probably by using an app like InShot or something, and they have come up with this. I'll mute it. So it's a small 30-second video, 32-second long video, and they are basically just showing different designs, different styles, and they are just using a model whose eyes are, quite quite centered. So like, if you know a little about the creative part, eyes always catch the other user's eye. Okay, they have, talked about the features and all the stuff like that. But this was not the product that went on to do well. This was not the ad that went on to do well. As you can see, it only got 8.4k reacts, and this ad did 6.4k reacts. The real winner is here. Okay, once again, they are using the video, but they have not created a real video. They have just compiled it all up, and you will see the ad is almost similar. Okay, this one is also like 32 seconds long, and all the images and everything is similar, but one change from this ad to this ad is the music. I'll play the music in this one. You can listen to that, and then I'll play the music on this one, and you can listen to that. Cool. So that's the only difference that I was able to notice. And if you will go down, you will see that this ad got more than 40k reacts. Okay, and if we'll click on more details, there are certain things that they have missed out on. Okay, I would like to point that out as well. So I will try to look at the best comments. So if I was them, I would probably point out like why on their landing page I would point out like why should any buyer buy multiple units of this product, like one for me, one for my mom, one for my sister-in-law, as this comment says. So they should point that out, okay, and probably use this part, the feminine and comfortable, in their marketing, and then they should cover that how many layers it is, family discount code not working. There multiple users have complained that the discount code that they are claiming on the landing page, that's not working. And one more thing is like I think it was not on this ad, but on some other ad I noticed that a lot of people were asking for a t-shirt which was featured in this ad. Okay, let me see if that t-shirt is featured in this ad somewhere around this. The hell was boring. Okay, a lot of people commented that I want this t-shirt. So if I were them, I would run a retargeting ad to all the people who saw the video for like 90% or something, and then I would try to sell them this t-shirt as well. Okay, another another thing that I noticed was there this one, how do they go around the neck? I recently had a tracheotomy done, and these look like great coverings. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, that's another angle that I can use to sell this exact product. And this is a funny one. This would work great for someone with back teeth, cheaper than a dentist. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it. They are not using any perfect video. They are just putting together images and they are running with it. A lot of the times what happens is uh, we are not testing a product because we cannot find footage of the product to compile and use it as a video, or for some random reason we are just waiting for our agency to shoot the video and deliver it to us. We are waiting for the product to come to us so we can shoot the video. Video is a very important part of the game right now. We use a lot of videos as well. I'm not saying that you you should not use the video. All I'm saying is, even if you don't have a video, if you do have an amazing product, then you can definitely make it work. Okay, uh, do go through the landing page. I think their ads are down right now, but go through the landing page and let me know if there is anything that I have missed out on.